Welcome to simplefinancesupport.com. Today I would like to show the Fiori app for managing the GL account. So this is one of the simplest example for experiencing the Fiori app, how it looks like. So the look and feel is changed. So let's go to the demo for Fiori app that I was mentioning. So let's go to here the demo. So let me come back from all the way back. So this is the apps are there here. So there are many apps you can pretty much navigate based on what security rules you got. Based on that, the information will come here. So one of the app that I added to my home is that manage GL account master data, which is typically our FS00, FSP0. All that information is part of like SAP different transaction codes. Now everything is embedded into one Fiori app, that is manage GL accounts. So let me double click on this account. So the moment this app is opening up here, if you see, it is giving you many options for filtering the information. Okay, so here for example, I need to enter the chart of accounts. So for that I will enter YCOA, so that is my chart of account. So without any further filter, if I just go ahead and click on the go, so then it will display all the accounts which are part of that YCOA chart of account. And then I can also filter here, see the type of GL account, for example. So let me select only the primary cause. So I place my cursor here and click on spacebar, like that. It will come up here on the top, and again if I click on go, so then it is filtering further. You see here, so now I can see pretty much the GL accounts which are of type primary cost or revenue. Okay, and also like a couple of the information that we can see here on the list of this columns itself. So you can also manage the columns. You can add columns here using the settings. You can add different columns. For example, let me bring account group here, and after selecting that account group, if I click OK, so then it's pretty much reorganizing the information, and you will have the account group on the far right side. You see here the account group. Okay, which means like you can add as many columns as you want which are available. This was not possible in the traditional SAP transactions, so it is much more simplified from the business process perspective, and I guess the business users will like this most. Okay, so right here you can do the mass change transactions, and add GL account and all that, you can pretty much do from here. And let's go further and select one of the accounts just to see how it is there. So let me just go back to this account. I'm just double clicking on this account. Okay, so the moment I double click on here, so it gives you all the information related to that account, but also in which language it is maintained, what is the chart of account, and the type of the account group, and what is the type of the retained earnings account indicator, and functional area. So you can pretty much scroll down to see further information on this account. Okay, and right from here you can pretty much click on the edit option to edit any of the information, and also you can go into the company code data of this GL account. So if we click on that company code data here, so the company code data will come up here, and I can double click on that. so that the information is appearing for the company code information. So typically the GL account company code information is at account currency, for example, whether the tax category is input tax, output tax kind of information, and also you can scroll down here. Such a nice interface when you compare with the traditional GUI. So it is much more simpler and robust in a sense, like it is all set for on cloud versions as well as on-premise versions. So Fiori App is really powerful information that users would like the most here. Okay, and also you can click on that change history when it is changed, if anything is changed here, administration information. So all the comprehensive information regarding one GL account at one shot you can see. You don't need a bunch of transaction codes to work with this particular GL account. And some of the features are inbuilt, such as like search kind of information. So let me go back to again control data and other attributes which are there. So let me go all the way up. So here the information related to all this is for the company code, and I'm just going back to see the general data again, and general data all the way can basic information, all that you can do. So such a nice application. And also, like, using this account you can pretty much say copy and create a new account pretty much, and the moment you create the new account it will update all the information. So it's asking you like what is that account you want to be, right? So again, I'm not creating it, or maybe let me go ahead and create also 4100 and 3 more zeros. Let's see, and then I'll put 1 here. Like that too. Yeah, and save it. So some of the errors are there, so okay, but any of the errors may be related to like the account groups and all that, but again the functionality wise is pretty straightforward to copy a GL account into another GL account. Okay, so I'm just discarding this particular information right now. So the edit also is there, and also it's one of the great feature is that pretty much you can share this information through the email. This entire screen will go as an email, or you can pretty much all the latest sharing functions are also built into this Fiori app. Okay, hopefully you like this Fiori app, and again many SAP transactions are getting embedded into Fiori apps, and this is the future of SAP. And again, nothing changes as far as the configuration is concerned. Only the look and feel for the business is changing, because now they can pretty much access a bunch of transactions together based on the role that they perform, and use this information for processing this business process. Hopefully you enjoyed this presentation, and please do visit simplifiedsupport.com for your any kind of S4 on-premise and on cloud kind of learnings. So very detailed learning that you will have here. simplifiedsupport.com. Thanks for watching this video.